Finally, I'm going to show you all the most amazing thing on our entire farm. It's called antler reishi. It gets its name antler reishi because its shape resembles a deer's antler. Reishi mushrooms can be categorized by color into green, yellow, red, purple, white, black, and also cloud mushrooms. The one we see most often is what's known as red reishi. So whether it's the common round-shaped rui reishi or the antler-shaped reishi, they both belong to the red reishi category. The main components of reishi are polysaccharides, triterpenoids, and nucleosides. These help with our body's metabolism and circulation and have the benefit of boosting our immunity. So in a moment, we can go take a look together. After opening the door, can you smell that? This is the most expensive air in all of Puli. We call it lingqi, or spiritual energy. Usually to absorb spiritual energy, you'd have to go deep into the mountains like in martial arts novels. But here in Puli, you just open the door and you can smell the rich aroma of reishi. Now when you come in, remember not to touch the reishi with your hands because our hands have a lot of bacteria. If everyone touches our reishi, they can easily get moldy and die. So please remember, when you come in, you can only do 3 things. Number 1, look with your eyes. Number 2, you can take photos up close. And number 3, close your eyes and take a deep breath. Let yourself calm down and absorb the essence of the sun and moon. That is our spiritual energy. Reishi is rich in polysaccharides, triterpenoids, and nucleosides, which are very beneficial for the human body. It can regulate our immunity. And since it's rich in nucleosides, it can help lower the risk of cardiovascular disease. So reishi isn't something you just chew on, boil, or stir fry to eat. Because its fibers are quite coarse, you need to use a method to break down the cell walls. For example, by boiling it or soaking it in alcohol. That's how its nutritional value is released. The nutritional value of our reishi is primarily locked within its spore powder. So if you've ever read martial arts novels, you might have a common misconception that the older a reishi is, the better. But that's not actually true. It's the tender part of the reishi that has the highest nutritional value because it all depends on the concentration of the spore powder. Let's use a dandelion as an analogy. After a dandelion matures, its seeds fly away to reproduce the next generation. Reishi is the same way. So the saying 1,000-year-old reishi cures all ailments is an exaggeration. It's not true that the older the reishi, the better. So when you go inside in a moment, you'll see that with reishi, the more tender it is, the higher its nutritional value because it has a higher content of spore powder. And that is our reishi.